Okay. Hello kids. So today we are going to see how to solve a simple cubic equation in hardly less than 10 seconds. Many times I've come across students, they get confused when a cubic equation comes or they get blank and they tend to use the orthodox method of factor theorem. And here today we'll see how to do it in hardly in a jiffy, I would rather say. So let's have a look. Okay, so kids, see, we have a problem here. Okay, I'm supposed to find the roots. You just see how I'm going to do it. Okay, so kids, if it's a cubic, maximum it can have 3 roots. Okay, so see what I'm going to do. Look at the last number. Look at the last number, and try factorizing it. So what are the factors? It can. What are the factors of 6? It is 1, 2, 3, and 6. So find the factor of the last guy, and then kids, take any 3 numbers, take any 3 numbers out of these 4 numbers, take any 3 numbers such that their sum should be 6. Their sum should be 6. Their sum should be 6, and their product should be 6. Their product should be 6. Their sum should be 6, and their product should be 6. And I think everybody know that number is 1, 2, 3. So if you check it out, the sum is 6, which is the coefficient of x squared, and the product multiplication of these 3 numbers is also 6, which is the constant term. Hey, that's it. Just change the sign. So the roots of this particular equations are -1, -2, -3. Wasn't that cool? That's what I was saying, kids. Just do one thing. Take the last number, find the factors of these guys, and take any 3 numbers of 6. Take any 3 numbers such that their sum should be the coefficient of x squared and their product should be the constant term, and then just change the sign. That's it. And one more beauty, kids. You can just check it out. You can just check it out, kids. What is 1 into 2? 2. 2 into 3? 6. 3 into 1? 3. Add it. How much is it? Of course, it's 11. And that 11 is the coefficient of x, kids. It's a coefficient of x. So every term or the coefficient that you see has a significance. The coefficient of x squared represents the sum. The constant term represents the product. And this 11, which is the coefficient of x, represents the sum of the product of these numbers. Sum of the product of 2 numbers at a time. Sum of the product of 2 numbers at a time. Let's try some more numericals. Okay, kids, so this is 8. Let me do it. This is 1, 2, 4, of course, 8, right? Take 3 numbers such that the sum should be 7 and the product should be 8. I think everybody knows, right? 1, 2, 4. The sum is 7. The multiplication is 8. Wow, and you can just verify it. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 4 into 1 is 4. How much is this? Is it 14? Oh, yes, it's 14. So it's verified. So finally, the answer is change the sign. -1, -2, -4 are the roots of the equation. Remember, roots means if I put x as -1 here, it will become 0. If I put x as -2 here, it will become 0. If I put x -4 here, it will become 0. Wasn't that quick, kids? Let's go ahead. Let's try some more. 15. Again, 1 will always be the root, always be the factor of any number. Then let's take the number 3, then comes 5, and then come what? 15. Take 3 numbers in such a way that sum is 9 and the product is 15. And kids, we have done it. 1, 3, 5. Verified, kids. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 into 1 is 5. Is it 23? Yes. Wow. So the answer is what? -1, -3, -5. Wasn't that quick, kids? Again, let's try again. This 60, it's a big number. Now, kids, please wait. There's a negative sign involved. In the previous example, there was no negative sign. So if there's a negative sign, now see what I'm going to do it. Again, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can come, 6 can come, 10 can come, 12 can come, 15 can come, then what? 30 can come. Looks pretty big, right? Don't worry, Re Baba. See, I need -2. I just need a small number. So let's take some three numbers in such a way that the sum should be -2 and the product should be 60. So you can also take the sign accordingly. So suppose you're taking any three numbers, you may have to try hit and trial, but I think quickly if you observe, this is 3, 4, 5. I need -2. You can use a minus sign also. So I take suppose minus, minus, plus. Check it out. -3 -4 is -7. -7 plus 5 gives you -2. Let's check it out. Is the multiplication 60? -3 into -4 is 12. 12 5s are 60. Wow. But let me have the last verification. -3 into -4 is 12. -4 into 5 is -20. 5 into -3 is -15. And how much does it become? 12 minus 35, that becomes -23. Wow, verified. So I have got the answer. So what's the answer, kids? Change the sign. 3, 4, -5. Wasn't that beauty, kids? Yeah, let's go ahead. So I'm pretty sure you're understanding, okay? And so it is so quick, right? Again, let me take one more example. Now, this time we don't have the coefficient of x square here. So, okay, x cube plus 0x square minus 7x plus 6. Again, I'll write this as 1, 2, 3, and 6. I need to do something by which the sum should be 0 and the product should be 6. So I think it's pretty obvious. 1, 2, 3. Let me have minus, minus, and plus. Check it out. Is the sum 0? Yes. Is the product 6? Oh, obviously. Can you have the last verification? -1 into -2 becomes 2. -2 into 3 becomes -6. 3 into -1 becomes -3. And that's 2 minus 9. That becomes -10. Oh, the last verification is done. So finally, what is the answer? Change the sign. 1, 2, -3. Wasn't that quick, kids? That's the beauty, kids. That's the beauty. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try one more. The last one. 15, I can write this as 1, I can write this as 3, I can write this as 5, I can take this as 9, I can take this as 15, I can take this as 45. Again, take three numbers such that the sum should be 13 and the product should be -45. So let me try it out. I need 13 kids, so I think 1, 5, 9, if I take it, okay, and I need 13, so can I write this as minus, plus, plus. Check it out. 9 plus 5, 14 minus 1, 13. If I multiply it, it gives me -45. Wow. Okay, let's have the verification here. This into this gives me -5. This into this gives me 45. And this into this gives me -9. And this is nothing but 45 minus 14. And there's nothing but 31. Wow. It's done, audience. It's done. So finally, change the sign and you get the answer as 1 -5 -9. Wasn't that quick, kids? That's the beauty of trick, kids. Trick does a very important role and plays a very important role in cracking the entrance examination. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.